Alright, so how to fix this fatal error? Maximum execution time 120 seconds exceeded. So just go to C drive, then go to XAMPP, then PHP, then look for php.ini file. Right click, edit with notepad. So you can see this is the php.ini file. Then you are going to click on search, find max execution time 120. Click on find next, just change it to 300. Then click on file, save on. Then just stop Apache and start again. Refresh.